In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get notifications about an item on eBay. This is particularly useful for those who want to stay updated on price changes, stock availability, or any new developments related to a particular product. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to eBay.com. Once you're on the site, simply log into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily create an account by following eBay's straightforward sign-up process. Logging in is an essential step because eBay needs to know where to send your notifications. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the homepage provides a friendly, user-centric layout, making it easy to navigate. Now look towards the top of the page and locate the search bar. This is where you'll enter the name or description of the item you're interested in, be it a specific model of a gadget, a rare collectible, or simply something you're keen on purchasing. Type the item's name into the search bar and press enter. This triggers eBay to sift through its extensive marketplace and return a list of relevant products for you to peruse. Once you find the item you're interested in, click on it to view more detailed information. This page often includes specifics like price, shipping options, seller information, and even reviews from other buyers. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these details. This will help you make an informed decision about whether or not you really want to monitor this item. After you've decided that this is indeed the item you want to keep tabs on, you need to make use of eBay's watchlist feature. You'll see an option to Add to Watchlist. Clicking this option tags the item in such a way that you're able to receive notifications. Essentially, you're telling eBay that you'd like to be kept in the loop regarding any changes or updates about this specific product. This feature is particularly handy for those who are waiting for a price drop or back in stock alert. Remember, adding items to your watch list not only ensures that you receive updates specific to these items, but also helps you easily keep track of all the products you're considering. The watch list can be accessed anytime under the My eBay section, making it a convenient tool for anyone who frequently shops on the platform. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly stay informed about the items you're interested in on eBay. It's a simple yet powerful way to shop smarter and ensure you never miss out on a great deal or crucial product update. Thank you for tuning in, and happy shopping.